motion is follower, and the given is a lift, and the base circle radius is 20 mm, roller radius is 5 mm. So the given problem is about uniform acceleration and retardation motion. So we need to solve the problem with the help of displacement diagram and as well as the cam profile diagram. So for drawing the displacement diagram, we need to make it as an follower lift as an y-axis and cam angle on x-axis. So here for the rise we also called it as an outstroke. For the return it is called as an return stroke, and remaining period is called dwell stroke. The given question is about the follower lift is 25 mm and base circle radius, that is a cam radius, is 20 mm, and here the given type of follower is roller follower, therefore the diameter is 5 mm, and the outstroke angle is 120-degree cam rotation and 60-degree dwell stroke and 90-degree for return stroke. So they ask you to determine what is the maximum velocity and what is the maximum acceleration during the outstroke and return stroke if the cam rotates at 1200 rpm in clockwise direction. Okay, so in order to draw this diagram, first of all we need to draw the displacement diagram. On x-axis we need to draw the 360-degree line. On y-axis we need to construct the line to the distance of follower lift, that is an 25 mm. Okay, so once if we made an angle, for example the given is outstroke is 120. For the outstroke we need to draw, take scale, let us 1 centimeter is equal to 20. So with the help of this we need to draw this diagram. Okay, the outstroke has been marked as an 6 equal parts. Okay, so this 6 equal parts can be equally divided. So based upon the division we need to plot the point where the point A, B and C which has been drawn over this. Okay, so here make a division. This is the first, and this is the second, and this is the third, this is the fourth and fifth and sixth. Similarly for dwell stroke we don't have any motion, therefore we need to draw a straight line. And for return stroke we having a divisions. Okay, and again it has been divided into 6 equal parts. So once the divisions has been made, following that what you need to do is you just need to mark where the first horizontal line and the first vertical line intersects and plot the point accordingly. Okay, so the first point we need to draw the line for the point 3, and the second point you just simply made an imagination horizontal line and find out where this vertical line has been intersect over there. From this point we need to draw, that is the first one, and following that we need to draw for the second line, following that we need to draw for the third line. And similarly for the same division we need to draw the first, second and third. Okay, and here the first division will be marked as an A, the second division will be marked as an B, and third division will be marked as an C. And similarly we need to repeat the procedure for D, E, F, and similarly we need to draw the 7th and G point and 8th and H point and 9th and I point. We need to connect those points. Here the first point which can intersect the first horizontal line, and the second point which can intersect the second horizontal line, and the third point which can make a diagonal direction which has been meeting at the point is called 12 and the G. So when we trying to connect those points we will get a curve shaped appearance, so that is what you call that. So this shape is what you call that uniform acceleration and retardation. So if you see this diagram it resembles like a curve shape, it not like an sharp edges. Suppose if your diagram, if I'm going to draw the line like this, it means it is not a smooth curve, it represents it is the uniform acceleration retardation. So kindly don't do this mistake while solving this problem. Okay, so once if all this diagram is made, following that we need to go for cam profile diagram. Okay, so we need to measure the same kind of distance. First of all we need to construct the cam axis, and following that we need to draw a circle of the cam radius, and here we need to divide the cam angle outstroke into 6 equal parts and right stroke into 6 equal parts. return stroke also 6 equal parts. Once the division has been made, we need to draw the line in this way and name the point is called 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and on the center point line we need to since we already drawn the division to the random distance, so we need to make any one point as an radius and ensure that circle has been passing over the cam circle. Okay, it shouldn't get intervene in inside the cam radius. Okay, and similarly for the second line we need to plot the compass so that we can construct the diagram, and the third one also we need to plot the circle, and fourth one similarly we need to repeat all of the procedures, and finally we will get this is the cam diagram, and following that we need to represent what is the type of follower. So for those we need to highlight by using the circle that represents it is the roller follower. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether the roller follower can intersect to each other, whether the circles get intersecting, it doesn't matter. The only thing we need to highlight it is a roller follower. Okay, so with this I just wind up and thank you.